Hola señores y señoras, bienvenido a este canal otra vez. Hoy vamos a cocinar un recipiente muy bueno, nachos. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to this amazing channel. Today on What's Cooking Fridge, we're going to do a nice, simple, easy, delectable, delicious meal, nachos. So easy to make. I raided the pantry and I raided the fridge. We have mincemeat, some tomato sauce. We went to the pantry for some kidney beans, some salsa, a few kernels, just some guacamole. So we're gonna make our own guacamole with lemon and what do you call this? An avocado, that's it, yes. And some creme fraiche or sour cream or whatever. And of course, just a packet of chips. Nice and easy, let's get cooking. Okay, so grab yourself a pan, add a little bit of oil, put the meat in there and just start stirring. Make sure you break up that meat nicely. It's going to be so good. Don't forget to put some salt and pepper. Keep stirring. When you think you've stirred enough, stir some more. You really want to break up that meat. While your meat is cooking, grab yourself an onion and just chop it up. Chop it up into nice fine bits and we'll add it to the meat as well. So it'll give it some nice flavour. Add the onions to the meat. Keep sauteing the meat, nice and brown, keep going. And then once all that meat and the onions have sweated away, you want to start adding the sauces. First of all, add the salsa. Then add the kidney beans, including the water. Add the passata, or the tomato sauce, and stir. Make sure all the flavors are combining nicely. Mix it right up. Keep stirring. Make sure it's all nice. Turn the oven on to 180 degrees Celsius, fan forced. Now the guacamole. We'll get ourselves an avocado. We're going to cut it in half and we're going to scoop out the great green stuff. Get yourself a spoon or a fork and just put it all into a bowl. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. Don't forget to put some lemon in it because it just stops it from oxidizing and getting that brown color. Keep mashing it until it's a nice paste. So back to the sauce, we're going to stir it a little bit more. Every 5 or 10 minutes, you just want to keep stirring it, make sure it's simmering away. These sauces, the more you leave them to simmer away, the better the flavor. So if you've got half an hour, take half an hour. If you've got more, go more. More is better. Next, we get a bit of baking paper. We'll line the trays, and then we'll start adding all the chips, the corn chips. It can be Doritos, it can be just tortilla chips, whatever you have in the pantry, really. Next, you ladle that lovely, delectable, beautiful, rich meat with the sauce that you've just created. Oh, I can just smell it. It's so good. You should smell these flavors, these smells, these aromas. It's just delightful. Add a good amount of shredded cheese. then we pop it in the oven. Give it about 10 or 15 minutes until the cheese is nice and brown. Okay guys, the cheese is browned beautifully. We've taken it out of the oven. Let's plate it up. Okay, so we're gonna add some nice corn relish. That just gives it a nice Mexican flavor. We're gonna add that nice guacamole, the avocado, smashed avocado. It's just gonna really combine those flavors. A little bit of sour cream on top, and just a nice garnish of basil or parsley or whatever you have, chives, just to give it that nice look. Okay, the moment of truth. Let's taste it. A little bit of meat, a little bit of bean, some guacamole. We'll get some sour cream on there. Guys, words cannot explain. So simple. Ingredients that we found in the fridge. 15-20 minutes. You got yourself an amazing meal. Better than any store-bought stuff. Let's keep it simple, let's keep it delicious, let's keep it nutritious. And if you're gluten-free, this is a great gluten-free option as well. All right guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment if you're gonna try this recipe and let me know how you go. Till the next one, see you then.